Like you said, okay, getting really hot girls consistently means having a lot of them around you and shifting your mindset from hunting to farming, right? Like even maybe the mindset of, there's a hot girl, and if I would have just escalated on her at the club, I would have had sex with her, is maybe wrong, because from her point of view, yeah, the story is not good enough. Like she wants to be taken, she wants to be falling for you, she wants to be able to seduce you, she wants to see you with other girls, get a little jealous, then feel like better that eventually she won you over and you chose her over everyone else. And that happens usually over a period of time. And that could either mean you and her being in the same room a couple of times, you and her being at the same event, maybe at the same workplace, right? That could also mean there's some friction that is, you know, like you had a date, but then you had to cancel because your mom got sick. And then, she missed her train because there was some accident. And like that often can add spice to the whole romance of it. Or sometimes you bang a really hot girl really fast and you're like, that was easy. But in reality, her friend's already talking about you. Or she already followed you on Instagram for 3 months and saw that you have a cool life and you're traveling and you're in Dubai and you're running your own business. And then finally you met at a house party and she, you know, gives you the eye and you escalate and then you bang. And it looks really fast. Like out of my experience, I banged a really hot girl in a club in like, I don't know, it was like 11 minutes of meeting her, and I banged her in the toilet. And I was like, that was really easy. But then I found out she knew about me for 5 months. So, you know what I mean? Like, there needs to be way more emotion from her side building up for that to happen especially on a consistent basis. Like, we all get lucky sometimes. Like, I've talked to Russian models on the street and had sex with them on the first date. That happens. But especially the word consistently getting 9s and 10s, a lot of factors have to be in place. And these factors are social media, style, sure. But once you have the status of having a good social circle, the style kind of becomes less important again. Because your first impression isn't, he wears cool clothes, but like, damn, he's around hot women, right? Just on that.